We got the Fifine K688. We're gonna open the box. We got a manual over here of the Fifine K688. And then we're just gonna open this foam over here. And there you go, you guys. We got the Fifine K688. And looks kind of like the Shure SM7B, but it looks really nice. Then we got the USB cable that connects to your mic. Then you got this adapter which allows you to connect to your boom arm, so you can connect it here or you can connect it to a stand like I have. This stand's really cheap to get and you can just install it easily like I have. I am taking out the pop filter, which is really nice, and there you go, you guys. You got the capsule over here. The build quality is pretty decent for this mic, especially considering the price. So I'm gonna put the pop filter back in, and the pop filter is very nice. So I actually connected my Fifine K688 on my boom arm, so we can connect it with our USB very easily to our computer. Just connect it just like I'm doing right over here. And if you want to connect your XLR cable here, then you probably need a mixer. So I'm actually going to connect my XLR cable to it, and it's connected to my Fifine SC3 mixer. So you might be wondering, how does it sound out of the box and with effects applied to it if you want to do that option? Let me show you. This is the Fifine K688. 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 I like the Fifine K688 and I recommend you get one for yourself also. Links in the description below. Please check out my other videos, like and subscribe, and have a yoga malicious day.